I just spilled my coffee all over the table as I was trying to film this really cool introduction. I'm gonna go grab a towel, I'll be right back. What I was trying to do, there's more on the table. What I was trying to do was this. Check out STRAWBEES. That's what I was trying to do. So let's try this again. Hey everyone, it's Adam. I'm so excited to share with you this product that I got. So let's back up. I recently attended TCEA in Austin, Texas. It was a phenomenal technology conference for educators. I had a blast. I was there with my friends from ESGI Software, helping out in their booth, sharing ideas with teachers. Got to run into some author friends from my label, DBC. And I happened to walk by this booth where this amazing now person I consider a friend in education, Ellen, was sharing these things called STRAWBEES. And I walked in, I'm like, okay, I gotta know what those are because I love toys and games and ideas. I gotta know what, Augie, I gotta know what STRAWBEES are. STRAWBEES, as you can see here, this is a STEAM starter kit individual building set, 230 pieces for 1 to 2 students, ages 6 to 14, grades K through 8. That's what's really cool about this. So I know you probably have all seen like those straw building sets. You can connect them together with different pieces. But the cool thing about STRAWBEES is it comes with some lessons and things that are aligned to build with these to give kids some actual STEM challenges. So let's open this up and actually see what's inside first. So now that we see what's included in this, let's take a look. So this comes with your connectors. That's this bag right here. So there's a bag full of these connectors. There are your straws right here. And to use those, you make what are called beams. So you're using connectors to put straws together to make beams of different sizes. You can make this is so cool. The beams then form together to make the different shapes. You can scale them, build mechanisms. There's so many cool things on the back of this. Look at all these things it gives you right away. Icosahedron. You can build icosahedrons. That's a polyhedron with 20 triangle faces. You can build that with this. You can make a mechanical arm, scissors. You can construct a mechanical crane out of this kit right here, and you can build an octahedron, which is a polyhedron made of 8 triangle faces. So let's try to put some of these together and see how easy these are to use. We're gonna build some of the beams. We're gonna try to I kinda wanna make that mechanical arm and see how that works. But the thing I was pointing to, that QR code, it says find more projects and detailed step-by-step instructions at strawbees.com/SP2. Strawbees.com/SP2. Yeah, let's try to build some of this right now. So I'm building right now a beam, right? And these are so easy to use. So I know my little ones will have no problem. These just slide onto the end of these connectors right here. They're gonna have no problem doing this. They slide on, you push it till it's tight, and then it's a pretty good snug fit right there. You can pop them back off, obviously, because they're reusable. But in the general purpose of building with these, they're gonna stick together pretty cool. Now, this is where STRAWBEES differs from other competitors that have like hard connectors that aren't movable. You can actually bend these like that. So these bend back and forth to make different designs of shapes. That's how we're gonna get the different shapes, multiple sides. I wanna try to build this mechanical arm to show how this movement with these can work. And it looks like you're actually gonna be able to pick something up. So we're gonna try to build the STRAWBEES mechanical arm following those steps. All right, here goes the test of my STRAWBEES mechanical arm. Watch this. It works. It works to pick things up. So this only took me about 5 to 6 minutes to build. And it's a 7-step process to do that. 7 steps to try to build that mechanical arm, and I got it done. Now that is just one of many things that you can build with STRAWBEES. Let's talk about some of the fine features of these. So yes, it does have the straws that come with this, but the connectors are the really cool piece. These are nice quality I have bent these things, and I'm not seeing them break because they're meant to bend like that to make these different connections that you see right here. It's got the connectors, it's got and honestly, multiple connectors, because these connectors do multiple things. Not only do they connect to the straws like you saw me building there, but they can actually fit through each other like you see right here. That's how we made that, I guess that joint, we would call it, right? That's how we made the joint. Look at this. 6 minutes and we made a mechanical arm, and that is just one of the things you can do. So here's what you can do. I got a really special deal for y'all. If you want to try these out in your classroom, and I highly suggest you do, because it's not just this, it's projects and projects at their website. I don't know what's going on with my tripod here. It's project after project at their website, strawbees.com, STRAWBEES, BEES, strawbees.com. When you purchase, you're going to get 10% off your order with the code A10 off. I'll put that right there, A10 off. You'll get 10% off your order at strawbees.com using my code. So make sure you do that to get 10% off your STRAWBEES order at strawbees.com, so you and your students can start building awesome stuff like this. I'm telling you, it's so cool.